Hi there, I'm Adam Hansen. I'm a pallet rack specialist with AK Material Handling Systems, and I've worked with this company for 10 years. Today at AK, I'm going to be showing you how to properly install a Tennsco low profile system. So we're going to need a few things to get started. You have your angle posts, your 18-inch side support, your 48-inch front and back supports, your particle board, and your rubber mallet to secure things into place. So first you're going to start off with your angle posts and connecting your 18-inch side supports. You want to tap them to secure them into place. And you're going to repeat that same process for the other side. Once you have that completed, then you want to take your 48-inch supports and you're going to connect them to the front and back. Now that your shelf is secure, you can go ahead and add your particle board shelf. Now that that's in place, you are good to go. Thank you for watching, and you can like and subscribe on our YouTube channel.